Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. I'm on a restoration project. At one time, this pinkish grout that's in this home here was in all this, all tuck pointed, but somebody took it out at one time and thought caulking would look best. So I'm restoring these back to new. See, they had left this side okay, but at one time they'd just done a bunch of caulking over this one here. Same way down that side. So I did a color match. Just got finished striking this off. Once that cures, it'll be perfect to the color of that other lighter pink. You can follow this project start to finish on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch over 2,000 videos of my projects. Thanks for watching a little color match brick restoration project.